She's telling all the other girlfriend birds. Like you were.
She's telling all the wives.
Okay. See this? Let's put this one in there. Yeah, small little one.
No, get the big one.
Okay. Because we cut up a... What the?
I can get one.
So can I. What the heck?
Just get that one. That one's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Get all three of them.
Yeah, I was trying to say.
Let's put maybe put one in there.
We put it on the side of the nest. On the side.
Oh, it's trying to escape. And the
No, just two.
okay. Wait. Push your arm a little more. They're branching the way. That's them, little baby birds that we're gonna be looking after while the mama's away for now.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's your boy Daryl Cersei, and we fed them the Texas size. I'm not sure what that means, but we got them while we were going fishing. We got frozen fish in the truck, and we're gonna be looking after those baby robin birds. The mama was mad up there. She'd be like, "Are you there, mama? Huh? Oh, you gonna get it, Dad."
Daddy!
Come on.